Hi, my name is David Wilburn. Today I'm going to be talking about some basic statistics. Specifically, I'm going to talk about measures of central tendency, mean, median, and mode. So I have a data set here. This data could represent anything. Each of these numbers is one observed value in my data set. So we're going to start off talking about mean. The symbol for mean is x with a bar. And the formula is, the symbol is a summation, which means adding all of these together. The summation of my observed values. X represents each observed value. So it's the sum of the observed values divided by the number of values. Okay, so you can take a second, pause the video, and add these together. I've already done it. And so we're going to say that our mean is equal to 1048, which is the sum of all of these numbers, divided by 10. There are 10 observed values here. And so we say that our mean is, 104.8. And I'm going to go ahead and round that and say that the mean is 105. Okay? Mean is the same thing as average. So what we've done is we found the mean of these numbers, or the average of these numbers, and it's 105. Okay? Now for median, there are a couple of different symbols that people use for median. None is more popular than the other. I've seen a capital M used to represent the median. I've also seen an X with a squiggly or an approximation symbol above it to represent the median. But in order to find the median for this data set, we're looking for the middle value. That's what median means. So we're going to take these values and we're going to reorder them from least to greatest. Okay, so as I look through, I see that my lowest value is 90. Then I have 96. Then 98. Then 99. Then I have 100. I have 100 again. I've got 101. I've got 116. I have 123. And finally, I have 125. So if I take a look, I see that my two middle values, in this case, are both actually the same number. So our formula to find the median is going to be the two middle values divided by 2. So in this case, it's 100 plus 100 divided by 2. And so our median is 200 divided by 2. The median of this data set is 100. Okay? And finally, dealing with the mode. Didn't leave myself much room. But let me tell you what the definition of mode is. Mode is the most frequently occurring member of your original data set. So if we take a look at the data set, we see that all the members appear once, with one exception, the number 100. It appears twice. Since 100 is the most frequently appearing member, our mode for this data set is 100. Now you may find a case when you're doing this in which there may be two numbers that appear twice. In that case, we would say that the data set is bimodal, meaning it has two modes. There are even some cases where you may have a very large data set and there might be a particular number that appears 3 times, another number that appears 3 times, and even a third number that appears 3 times. That means we have 3 modes. We would call that data set multimodal. It has more than one mode. So I hope this has been helpful in helping you to understand measures of central tendency as far as mean, median, and mode are concerned. Feel free to email me if you have any questions about these or about statistics in general. Thank you.